what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Montana. I'm back with another video, man. You see that green thing right here? You know what I'm saying? And today, this video, I don't know, y'all, my voice done went out a little bit, man. I done did a lot of yelling and stuff, man. It got me sounding like Child Guy. Yeah. Today it's finna be about my pedal box. I know y'all know the ones that did watch the video. If you haven't, go back to my old videos. I made a video on my pedal box. It made my check engine light come on in my Charger, my Dodge Charger RT. But I did find out that the reason why the check engine light came on, it was because I didn't tune it correctly to the vehicle. I did press the plus and the minus button on it. You know, I did all that or whatever. But supposedly I was supposed to get on the gas and calibrate it together. And after I did all the tuning and stuff, I was supposed to hold one of the buttons. I'm gonna show y'all the steps and process of it or whatever. But the stuff that I did, man, I didn't do it correct. So I rode around too long with it not being tuned to the vehicle. So this most likely why my check engine light came on. Okay. But today, I'm putting the pedal box on the Scat pack. Man, when I say, and it did work the right way in the Charger. Don't get me wrong, it did work. But when I say it don't give you no horsepower, it don't make the car no faster than what it is, or none of that. But you get all of the power with the pedal box. When you get on the gas, there's no lag, no nothing. You know, you can without the pedal box, you can get on the gas in these vehicles, and it'll kind of hold back and it'll push off. You know what I'm saying? But with the pedal box on there, no lagging, no weight, no nothing. It's all power going straight to the pedal. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all that. I'm gonna show y'all the steps of getting hooked in and everything. Then I'm gonna take y'all for a ride in it. So let me get this thing hooked up, all right? Okay, so you got these. So I should have been did this video on the Charger because I done had the pedal box for so long. And you know, I should have been made it, but okay. You got these two that you gotta plug in. Let me show y'all. Got these two. I can't tell you which one the male and which one the female. Why? But I'll show y'all what to plug them into though. Okay. So I don't know if y'all can see. I'm hoping that y'all will be able to. But it's this right here. Hold on. It's that one right here. I don't know if y'all can see me touch it. Bro, you gonna unplug that and then plug both of them up into it. Let me show y'all with it. Alright, so boom. It's unplugged. Can y'all see? Can y'all see? Yeah. See, it's unplugged. Alright. So now y'all see the difference. See, I got those two plugged in. Now, excuse my dirty flow too. But so now I'm just gonna put this back up here. I'm gonna run this through here. I already got them little wires in the way. This for my lights and stuff. I'm gonna just run this through here. Try to get that out the way. Let's see, a little bit. And put this back up. Okay, so turn on the ignition. The engine does not need to run, but it needs to be in run. So it's in run. Okay. Close it though, so y'all won't hear all that dinging and stuff. Okay, so y'all see it? Press and hold the plus and minus button for at least 3 seconds. So boom, do that. Oh. Excuse me, my car is dirty, man, I know. But Perfect tune is now ready to be customized to your accelerator pedal. I gotta scoot the seat up. I'm not that tall, so I had to scoot the seat back to put it in. All right now, so slowly press the accelerator pedal from the neutral position to the full throttle position. Don't do it fast, do it slow so everything can go in with the pedal. All right, so. Okay, I'm letting off the pedal. You see it going down. I'm doing it slow. And I'm not gonna do it just one time. I'm gonna do it more than once. It's third time. Okay. And to complete perfect tune, I done seen some videos of some people that didn't do this. And I think this is what I didn't do. My check engine light came on. And my check engine light is actually on right now, but I'm tuning it. So to complete perfect tune, press the blinking program button for 3 seconds. Boom. So I'm guessing that she ready to go. I'm guessing she ready to go. So let me crank the car up. My check engine light came off. It came off. Let me show my trunk real quick. And yeah, she tuned ready to do it. Oh, that thing loud, ain't it? Okay, I'm reloaded.
Okay, I'm reloaded.
Okay, so let me hit the gas. Okay, doing good. Okay, this city mode. This city. This is sport. Sport plus and neutral. It's just nothing. If you want to just ride regular. You know me. I gotta throw this in there, Sport Plus, and I gotta go all the way to the tip of the top, you know? And see what that thing do. Whew. Woo! Now, y'all know I ain't used to the Scat power. Well, I done got used to it, but hey, with that damn pedal box in it, man, bro, I'm telling you, straight power going straight to the car, man. I'm not lying, man. Woo! Man, bro, I swear to God. Look, man. Look at my mama boyfriend right here. Hey, I'm making a video, man. Look.
Oh, okay. Keep doing it down,
Man, yeah. I had put the little box in here. I'm trying to test it out real quick.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
You said that thing raised up when you came in there. I bet. 6.4 now.
Yeah, man.
All right, go ahead and do that thing down to her.
I'm gonna let you.
All right. You gonna get the charcoal stuff?
Y'all finna go to the store now.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. See, he said he seen it raise up. Yeah, though. This thing got so much power straight to it. I swear to God, bro, it's dead. I'm talking about all of the power is going straight to it, man. Like, it's going straight to the car, man. Like, I swear to God. I swear to God, man. Hopefully it don't make my check engine like come on. But you know, when I showed y'all the check engine like came on, but I calibrated it right and it went off. So hopefully everything is good. You know what I'm saying? But man, hold on, let me put that on. But I swear to God, I swear, this is a whole nother type of power. I mean, like, it don't give it no more horsepower, no nothing like that, but when that power goes straight to the car, like it ain't no holding out, no nothing, it's going straight to it. Man, it's a different feeling, I swear to God. It's a different feeling, for real. Heading up and shit. It's alright, though. I ain't trying to look cute for y'all. Woo! I'm barely getting on the gas and it's doing it. Man, hey, I'm not sponsored by these people. I'm not sponsored by pedal box, none of that. But I will leave a link to where you can get the pedal box down in the description. You know what I'm saying? Man, get you a pedal box. I can't speak for Pedal Commander. I didn't start off with Pedal Commander. I started off with pedal box. Get you a pedal box. Do that. If y'all like this video, drop a like, man. Y'all hear that? Turn it down. But if y'all enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, say whatever you gotta say, and don't forget to hit that sub button to my new viewers. If you done seen this and you ain't subbed in, man, go on, man, join the fam, man. You know what I'm saying? Hit that sub button, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. You understand me? But yeah, it's the end of the video. Something quick just to show y'all what it is, though. You feel me? I'm out.